Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, external microphone not working in Windows 11 fix it fast. First method is change microphone. Second method is privacy and security settings. Third method is change default input device. Fourth method is update microphone device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.